Good morning, it's 6 a.m. and I'm headed out to the gym and I'm headed home to get ready. But while I was at the gym, I realized that we have 2 new machines, and I had seen one of the machines being used different on TikTok, and I wanted to try it out, but I mean, I don't know, I was a little shy. Even though no one was there, I was like, what if the camera sees me? They're gonna be like, what is she doing? But it's like the it's called the arm pull, I think, machine. But I saw a girl on TikTok use it as like a sit-up type of workout machine. I don't know, but maybe I'll try it out tomorrow. I just kind of rewatched kind of how she did it, just so I don't look dumb doing it tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm gonna head home, get ready for work, and I'll probably be getting some coffee after that, but we'll see. Outfit today. I'm wearing a tan shirt, some purple pants, and some nude color shoes. So I'm gonna head out. I am taking my milk and my creamer and my matcha so that I can make it at work. And I guess this is where I have to learn that every time before I start driving, I need to make sure that I have everything ready and I'm not gonna be distracted while on the road or driving. But I just crashed my front tree with my car. I thought I got it on camera, but I guess I didn't. So yeah, nothing bad happened. I got a little shaky. I was like, oh my gosh, I got scared. I was like, it probably didn't. I probably scratched it. But yeah, the only thing that happened was like the plastic, like I pushed under, so we pulled it out. I don't think you can, you can't tell. And then yeah, he washed it off. He rinsed off the dirt from the front because it literally had leaves and stuff. I was like, oh my gosh, embarrassing. But yeah, I am heading to the office. I don't know if I said this already, but I was gonna grab some coffee, but I decided to just bring my own milk and creamer and my matcha, and I'll be making that at the office today. So yeah. So I have made it to the office. I am gonna get all my things done, and I will record once I am inside. I just spilled my drink.
Oh my god, really?
Yes.
Is it embarrassing?
I did my matcha, and now I'm gonna get set up for work. work done here at the office. Say hi. And then this is our office. So I am seeing some documents that I'm going to upload to our documents website called Command. And yeah. So I just finished a Zoom meeting with a lender and my buyer, and we discussed what his interest rate is going to be, his monthly payment, the insurance, and his closing costs. So now we just have to fill out a couple more papers, and yeah, we should be closing on the 23rd of October, which is right on time because they don't want to close any later than the 26th. So if for any reason closing has to be rescheduled, it cannot be done after the 26th, just because they can only hold interest rates for such a period of time. So now I'm just going to pick up everything that's on the consultation table, and I'm going to write myself some notes so that tomorrow morning when I get in here, I'll work on his file and make sure that everything's going by smooth. I almost forgot that I have to scan his contract because we were missing 2 initials. So I need to scan it in order for me to email it to the listing agent. Also forgot that I have to sign the compensation form. So I'm going to scan that and email it to the listing agent. I have to make sure I put the alarm on. That way. So I do park in the back, so when we are the last ones to leave the office, we have to lock from the front. So if you park in the back, you have to basically walk to your car to the back, because the only way the alarm can be installed is if you exit through the front door. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm walking to my car. Yeah, this is what my fit looks like, because I know this morning you probably couldn't tell that my pants were like purple. I don't think you can tell, but this whole piece, which still moves, I don't know if it's supposed to move or not, but that whole piece was like not on the vehicle. So I'm headed home now. I didn't get many clips from my day today just because I didn't really do much. Most of the things that I did was just computer work, or sending emails or making calls. But tomorrow I am gonna have more of a busy day because I have a couple houses that I'm gonna go show. I'm not quite sure how many houses or what houses, because I haven't even looked through the text messages that my client sent me. But once I get home, I'm gonna look through that and see what time I can schedule those. But yeah, I'm kind of hungry, but I think we have tamales at home, so I'll probably eat that. If not, I'll go out and get something to eat. But that's pretty much what I have for today's video. I'll probably just insert some clips from my night routine and what my at-home routine looks like after work. But yeah, I'm home. I'm gonna be editing the video for the rest of the night. It's currently 8:13. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, And make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll be uploading more videos soon. Bye.